Welcome to the rainforest. It's pouring rain, and I do mean pouring. And the thing with where I'm at now, which is Khao Sok National Park, is, and I guess a lot of Thailand, is you can get hit in monsoon season from storms from both sides, from the Andaman Sea and also from the Gulf of Thailand. And right now we're getting hit pretty hard. But it's rainy season. The area is adapted to it. We have to deal with that because, again, it's nature. It's what it's supposed to be. And there are quite a few undertones of man versus nature in this particular segment. So I'll talk a little bit more about Khao Sok and why it was originally made and what they're doing now. So Khao Sok has a huge lake right in the middle of it. It's not the entirety of the national park. In fact, I went on a night safari tour yesterday. You have to go with guides, basically. And we saw a civet, which is cool, some snakes and stuff, and I'll put that in here too. But that lake is huge, and it was a man-made lake back in 1987 or something like that. That was built for, or, they put in a dam for hydroelectricity. And you can think, is this a good thing or a bad thing? When you see the natural landscape, those limestone cliffs and those hills that I will show you, they existed. The lake did not. So you flooded all of the land down below those hills. Creates a completely different ecosystem we're going to explore today. You can see the reason for it. You could think of the renewable energy that we're creating, but also, is that the best way? Probably not. And we'll talk a little bit more about that later today, or maybe not, but I'll show you some pictures anyway. What are some current problems, conservation type problems, that the human impacts on Khao Sok? There are many. Illegal logging. Logging has been illegal since 1989, I believe, in Thailand, but there's quite a few illegal operations that go on, especially with politically connected forest barons, as described on this website. I like that word, so we're going to use it. And especially in rural areas. So there are rangers that are there to protect from that, and also to make sure that everyone pays their entrance fee and doesn't pollute, throw rubbish on the ground. Unregulated tourism is a problem, as they're stressing ecotourism more and more. That is something that they are considering and actually doing. In 2022, it was the year of ecotourism in Thailand, so big push for that. And there is money to be made in that. Follow what Costa Rica has done. Other concerns, obviously, when you're replanting, a lot of times plantations count as forested cover. That's actually a problem because you're dealing with a monoculture. You're dealing with evenly spaced out trees as well. It's just not really, often anyway, it's just not really natural, and it's different. Might be better than bare ground. Speaking of bare ground, you have soil erosion. We're in the tropics. It's a tropical rainforest, as you will see, and it's a really old one at that. And because of that, the soil itself doesn't have many nutrients in it. It's recycled quickly, and you can even see it as you take a look at it. So soil erosion, especially in this rainy weather, but again, the organisms here are adapted to it. In Khao Sok, there are some species of interest to poachers, elephants, tigers. To protect all the endangered species, first of all, you have to identify them as such, and the IUCN redlist helps to do that. Also, the Convention on International Trade of Endangered Species helps to protect them internationally. And the rangers themselves do try to help with poaching problems.
Okay. Dangerous. You have to kill it.
Bag, no.
The young bamboo, like, because when you just start the fire, they